गोंयांत कोवीड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो दीस पट्टो वाडत आसा. आयतारा दीस आनीक 33 कोवीड दुयेंती मेळ्ळ्यात. आयज मेरेन मेळिल्ल्या दुयेंतींचो आंकडो आतां 300चेर पावला. तातूंतले सुमार 65 जाण बरे जाल्यात, तांकां घरा धाडल्यात. गोंयांत सध्या कोवीड दुयेंती 235 आसात. तातूंत भलायकी खात्यान काम करपी 8 कामगारांचोय आस्पाव आसा. हे 8 कामगार मांगूर हिल वास्कोच्या UHCंत काम करताले, अशी म्हायती भलायकी खात्याच्या सचिवान दिल्या. गोंयांत कोवीड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो वाडत आशिल्ल्यान तशेंच गोंयांत कंटेनमेंट झोन आशिल्ल्यान भलायकी खातें आतां गोंयभर कोवीड केअर सेंटरां उबारतले, अशी म्हायती सचिवान दिल्या.
The ESI hospital has so far been the COVID hospital for the state of Goa, and we have been taking care of all our COVID positive persons in the COVID hospital. But you are all aware that a large number of our COVID positive cases are asymptomatic. So it is in line with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's guidelines that we start the concept of COVID care centers. COVID care centers are basically facilities which are meant to take care of those asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic COVID positive patients. Not patients exactly, persons. So, so far, of course, because our numbers were coming in small lots and we thought that it is manageable. So, we have so far been taking care of all our COVID positive cases in the COVID hospital at ESI Madgaon. But now we feel that we should keep enough beds available for the symptomatic patients. We need to project to the future, and we need to keep in mind that we may have symptomatic cases who need the care that a fully equipped COVID hospital should be able to give them. Therefore, keeping this in mind, we are starting the concept of COVID Care Center, which was long back approved by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Seeing the changing scenario where we have one containment zone now in Goa, we have taken this decision. Testing has been continuous in Mangur Hill. There is a misconception that testing was stopped in Mangur Hill. I would like to say that that is not true. Even yesterday, you are aware that we had an OPD set up at the Mangur Sports Club. Day before, yes, for one day before, we had to temporarily halt because, again, you are aware that 2 of our members of the swab collection team were tested positive. So we needed to then test everybody who had come into contact with them, who included many members of the Urban Health Center, Vasco. But then after that, after checking, we have reformed the teams. We needed one day to get every other team organized, train them properly in how to wear the PPE, etc. And all of that had to be done, for which we have taken that one day. Yesterday, we have taken samples of Mangur Hill and they are currently under testing. Today, again, we have had the OPD. Yesterday as well, we had the OPD at the Mango Sports Club. Today also, we had the OPD. Many people came to our OPD with very many different complaints. Some of them had their regular follow-up to be done. Some had certain other concerns. Some just wanted the temperature to be checked. So all these people have come to us, and we took the samples. We will be having a targeted approach, a focused approach, which is very important when you're dealing with a containment zone. So we will be testing on priority the highly vulnerable category, what we call the high risk group. I mentioned it once, I will repeat it again. In this group, we are including those people who are 65 years or above, children who are below 5 years of age, pregnant women, people with any type of comorbidity conditions like asthma, COPD, heart ailment, TB, heart disease, etc. And then you also have the category of then naturally the people who come with symptoms. So these are the 5 categories of people whom we will be specifically focusing on. In total, there are 8 health workers who have tested positive. They were all staff of the Urban Health Center Vasco, so they were very well working even before it had become containment zone. There was an incidence of dengue in that particular locality. Our health workers and our field level functionaries were on the field, distributing the nets and creating awareness. Malaria cases were also coming up. So this activity is a continuous thing that we never stopped just because COVID has come. Our regular activities never stopped. We definitely continued those activities, and they were also definitely on the field. In today's set, as Dr. Utkarsh has already mentioned, 50% out of this 33 are within Mangur. The remaining cases are outside Mangur. But what that categorization is, you will get very clearly in our media bulletin.
आयतारच्यान शिरोड्यात आशिल्ल्या भलायकी खात्याच्या शिरोडा PHCत आतां कोवीड दुयेंतांक तपासतले. शिरोड्याच्या लोकांनी आतां शिरोडा PHCत वचपी दुयेंतांनी शिरोड्यात आशिल्ल्या कामाक्षी हॉस्पिटलांत उपचार घेवपाक वचचे अशें भलायकी खात्याची सचिव नीला मोहननान सांगलां.
Now our new COVID care facility, the COVID care center, will be our public health center in Shiroda. PHC Shiroda from today onwards will be operating as a COVID care center, and our asymptomatic positive persons will be taken care of at the PHC Shiroda. We will have a medical team in place there, and we will take all necessary measures to ensure that the COVID positive persons are taken adequate care of. And therefore, since we will not be having the OPD from our the PHC Shiroda from today onwards, the appeal that I want to make to the public is that they must take note of this, that from tomorrow our OPD will be operating from the Kamakshi Ayurvedic Hospital at Shiroda. So the patients who have been coming to the PHC Shiroda for various services of the Directorate of Health Service should now from tomorrow onwards please go to Kamakshi Ayurvedic Hospital, which is also in Shiroda. Our team will be moving there. The team which will be taking care of our general population, the population of Shiroda who would like to come to us for services.